Howdy, all my trig students. I forgot this is the back of the page right here, graphing all the trig functions, because we haven't really talked in this class about secant, cosecant, and cotangent of different values off the unit circle. So real quick, let me just walk you through this. So in here, secant we know to be 1 over cosine, so what I would do is just write 1 over cosine of pi over 4. I know that cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, so this is the reciprocal, so it's 1 divided by root 2 over 2. Maybe you recognize that that's going to be, okay. What happens, it ends up being root 2, but let me show you what I'm talking about. If I have 1 divided by root 2 over 2, what that means is I'm taking 1 and I'm multiplying it by 2 over root 2. Well, we want to, in all things unit circle, always rationalize. So we multiply by root 2 over root 2, which gives us 2 root 2 divided by 2, and these 2's can cancel and we're just left with this. The easier thing to do, is to recognize that it's 1 over, I lied. Okay, if I want root 2 over 2, what I had done is I got that by rationalizing 1 over root 2. Okay, so these two things are equivalent, right? I hope you realize that. And then I can just flip this guy over to get if cosine of theta equals that, then secant is just going to be root 2. Did that help? Okay, let's do another one. Secant of 5 pi over 6, this is 1 over cosine of 5 pi over 6. I'm really good at my unit circle. I know that 5 pi over 6 is over here. I went over a lot and up a little, but I went in the negative direction. So the cosine there is going to be negative root 3 over 2. And so this is 1 divided by a negative root 3 over 2, which gives me a negative 2 over root 3. Rationalize the denominator. It's kind of annoying. Negative 2 root 3 over 3. Cool. Secant so this is 1 over cosine of pi. Cosine of pi is negative 1, so this is 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. And we do the same process for these other ones. Yeah, it's the reciprocal of I'll do one of each. So this becomes 1 over sine of 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4 puts me in my unit circle down here. The sine value will be negative. This is that root 2 over 2. But remember how we just said that root 2 over 2 was equal to 1 over root 2? When we take the reciprocal of that, we're just left with root 2. But it's negative. Oh, goodness. Okay. And then this one, cosecant here, we've gone in this negative direction. So that's what we're talking about. I don't know that I want to finish it, but there we go. Let's do a cotangent one. Cotangent of 7 pi over 6 means it's 1 over tangent of 7 pi over 6. When I think 7 pi over 6, I'm here. When I think tangent, I think slope. This has a slope of root 3 over 3, which would also be 1 over root 3. So when I take the reciprocal of that, I end up getting this is equal to root 3. Okay, I hope that was helpful. We will keep practicing. So like, subscribe, comment, and let me know how I can help you. All right, go practice.